Okay, yeah, we've got a person with a leaf blower here, so I'm just gonna wait until he's done. Hey everybody, it's JessDream10 here, and welcome back to another how to draw video. Today is the third part in a series of how to draw birds. This video being on how to draw a flamingo. So, well, let's get right on to it. So we're gonna start off with this gumdrop shape. From similar to last time with the swan. Check that video out if you haven't yet. I'll put a link somewhere around here. Okay, so we've got our little gumdrop shape. Okay, so now we're gonna make a little circle here for the base of the neck. Then we're gonna go out and then in a little S shape. And then a circle up here. So we've got our little S shape here. And I've noticed that the flamingo's fur, it's built up on layers, and kind of the layers aren't equal. So I saw one of the layers of feathers go along the middle of his back, and then there's his wing, its wing over here, down here. It's around the middle as well. And then over here, there's another layer of feathers. And then at the end, there's a pretty long, kind of pointy tail. I'm gonna make it too long though, so let's not exaggerate this. Now before we get into the details of the neck, let's have put it in some rough guidelines for the legs. So at the kind of start of where the legs are, there's usually like a little, I don't know what to call it, like a little square that's just before the legs start. Then you go down a little circle about halfway from the length of the legs that you want. And we're actually going to make this a little bit more because to get the proportions to be correct. I'm going to have the flamingo here standing on one leg, as you often see them do. So one part of the leg goes back like this, then here is going to be where the knee joint is, and here is going to be kind of where the foot is. Just going to make it a little bit longer. There we go. Let's start thickening out the neck. I'm going to go down here, and it kind of gets wider as it reaches where it connects to the actual flamingo. Then here at the back as well, it's thin at the top, and then it gets a little bit thicker at the bottom. Okay, so now for the beak. The beak is kind of a shape like this. So it's an unusual beak. I haven't seen this too often, but in the flamingos, that's just how it is. Then it's here, and it goes down here. Then here kind of, wait, let me readjust the camera so that you can see it's a little bit better. Okay, that is better. So then here it kind of goes into an inward curve, and then out over here. Then it goes kind of in a similar shape as the swan's beak did. It kind of covered his face, and then that's where the eye was. Okay, now we finished the face, and let's zoom out again. Alright, so we're back here. Now let's do some little triangular shapes around here at the bottom. Okay, so we have our flamingo sketched out, and now I'm going to just find out some lines here. Kind of, if I'm unhappy with something, just change it around a little bit. After I've done polishing it up, I'm going to ink it in with this pen. Now you could just leave it as a sketch, but I'm not going to because I like to ink these things in. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so my sketch is officially finished. Now I'm going to ink it in. Okay, I forgot to mention here that we should meet out the legs. You can do this in pencil, but since I'm already at the inking process, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it with my pen. Okay, so my flamingo is all I've got the first layer of inking in. Now I'm just going to go in and add thickness to where there might be shadows. Okay, so the second layer of inking is done, and if you would like a video on my inking process and adding line weight, then please say so in the comments below this video. I will happily make one. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes so that I can erase it out later, and then we can move on to coloring. Over here, I just added another row of feathers because I just felt like it. You can do that if you want to, but I'm not going to decide for you. You can do it. Okay, so I'm guessing the ink is pretty much dry now. Yep, it's fine. So now I'm going to use just an eraser here to erase the guidelines. Okay, so the guidelines are officially erased. And I will go grab my coloring pencils so we can color this in. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with my tin of colored pencils, as you would have seen if you watched my travel art supplies video, which I'll link somewhere here as well. And this is not a how to color video, but I'll do some of the coloring in real time. So I'm just going to test this color out in another place on the page. Yeah, this is a pretty good flamingo color right here. So I'm just going to do a little bit of this coloring in real time while I talk to you. So about the vlogs that I'm doing, do you like how they're going at the moment? If you like the not show my face thing, if it does bother you, then tell me in the comment section below. And I will do vlogs where I kind of show my face, but I'm not actually going to be showing my face because I'm not very comfortable showing my face on the internet. So, but if it does bother you, the not seeing my face kind of thing, then I will do it, but with sunglasses and a hat. If you like the idea of the sunglasses and hat, then I will definitely do that. So just tell me what you think in the comments below. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to jump into time lapse to finish off the coloring of this flamingo. the finished flamingo. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. Leave a comment down below, like and subscribe if you want. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!